I wonder who this a call me. Oh. Hello? Oh, I'm Serain. What going, man? Yes, man. Yes, man. Good to hear from you, man. Boy, Serain, I tell you, say, when you own a business is not easy at all. I never know it was so much work. A lot of work. I may have a little young man helping me, but boy, I'm telling you, he works still is a whole heap of work. Yes, man. You know? And I have to put in a lot of hours. Yes. I guess that is what you get when you decide to own your own business. And I even want to expand the business, but I don't have the money to expand the business. Yes, man. It would be good if I can find somebody to invest some money in my business. So what you say? You invest some money in the business? Oh, yes, man. That is good, man. Yeah, man. So we can become partners then, man. I'm glad to hear that, man. Thank you for calling, man. All right, Serain. We meet and discuss it. All right. Wow. Good news, man. Good news. I can finally expand my business. I have somebody to invest in my business, and we can become partners. Good. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Everything Business. Thank you for stopping by. If it's your first time, please subscribe, like, and share. And I hope you enjoyed the video at the front. We're going to be talking about what a partnership business is in today's POB tutorial. So let's get right into it. So what is a partnership business? So a partnership is an association of 2 to 20 persons who are in business together with a view to earning a profit. Now, the partners are free to decide on whatever arrangements they would like among themselves as to what rules would govern their organization. However, all partners must sign an agreement stating the rules and regulations of the business, and this document is called a partnership deed, or in some textbooks it will be referred to as just a deed. Alright? Now, what is a partnership deed? Now, the partnership deed is a legal document actually, which sets out in writing the terms of the partnership. It contains information such as names and address of partners, the investment made by each partner, how profit and losses are to be shared, and how interest is to be charged on drawings or paid on capital. And if there is no partnership deed, then these rules should apply. Profit and losses are to be shared equally, no salaries are to be paid to partners, and no interest is to be paid on capital. Alright? So there are types of partners. There are 2 types of partners actually in a partnership business. Some text may say 3 types of partnership, so you just look out for that. Now we have active partner or active partners. Now these are partners who run the business on a day-to-day basis. These partners actually work in the business, and so they normally get a salary, since they work in the business. And then we have sleeping partners. These are partners who invest in the business but do not necessarily work in the business, and these partners are more interested in gaining a return on their investments. So in the skit at the beginning, Serain would kind of fall into the sleeping partner category. He seems like he wants to invest money in the business but not necessarily to work, and so he would be a sleeping partner, right? And the person who was talking on the phone, right, that person would be an active partner because they take part in the day-to-day running of the business. They actually work in the business. And so what are some of the advantages of a partnership type of business? Right now, one of the key advantages is that you have more capital now and resources that can be obtained than a sole trader or a sole proprietorship. Business is easy to start or to form. The business will last longer than a sole proprietorship, which means it has greater continuity, right? The workload is also shared. In the skit at the beginning, right, the farmer there, he was expressing how he has to work hard. The sole proprietor, he had to work hard because it was him alone, and even though he had a little help, the workload was still a lot, and he had to do a lot of hours, right? But with a partnership, the workload is now shared, all right? And the decision making also is shared, and so you may have better decisions being made. And in Jamaica, we have a saying that 2 heads better than 1. And what that means is that the more persons you have making the decision, sometimes you will have better decision being made, because you have persons who are bringing different perspectives to the decision making table. All right. Now let's look at some of the disadvantages or the limitations of this type of business. One of the key disadvantages is that, if one partner makes a mistake, then everyone stands to lose, right? Capital is still limited, seeing that you only have 20 members, right? There may be disagreement among partners, and once you have persons coming from different backgrounds, different persons working together, there will be disagreements. And so that is one of the disadvantages or the limitations of this type of business. And the disagreements can range from how the profits are to be shared to how much interest is to be charged on joins or paid on capital. So the disadvantages can vary. Another disadvantage is that decision making may take a longer time, because now everybody is bringing their ideas to the table, right? And so decision making may take longer. A partnership can also be broken on the death of an important partner, right? And that's a disadvantage. And there is usually unlimited liability, right? And unlimited liability simply means that you are personally liable should the business fail, right? So at least one person must have unlimited liability, and that's a disadvantage. All right, so let's review. We looked at what a partnership is, which is an association of 2 to 20 persons forming a business. We stated that partners should sign a legal agreement called a partnership deed. We stated that there are 2 types of partners: active partner and sleeping partner. And some of the advantages of this type of business are, you have greater continuity, more capital and more resources, workload is shared. And some of the disadvantages or limitations includes disagreement among partners, longer decision-making processes, and unlimited liability of at least one partner. So there you have it, the partnership type of business. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial, a business tutorial. All right, and thank you for viewing.